How to customize language in applications on MacBook Air. And okay guys, here in your MacBook Air, okay, you'll have to do is go to System Settings. Okay, you can see below. Here in System Settings, on left side, go to General. In General, you can see here the language in region. Okay, go to this. In language in region, you can see below the application. And you can customize language setting for the following application. So okay, to add the application, you'll have to do is click the plus sign, and now you can select the application you want. So for my example, I change or I customize the language of the Safari application. So but you can change this by clicking the arrow up or down, and you can see the option of application. But in this tutorial, I use Safari. In the Safari, language is set into system default English. So to change this or customize the language, okay, you'll have to do is click the arrow down button, and you can see the option. So for my example, I set into Netherlands, Dutch, the Safari. And after you select the language, okay, click the add button. And the pop-up are show language setting for Safari has changed. Do you want to relaunch the application now? So Safari will not use the new language until relaunch. So you can relaunch now or don't relaunch. For my example, I don't relaunch this application. So okay guys, if you want add more, okay, you can click the plus sign again and select the application on this. And for my example, the preview, and also you can change the language of this preview application. So for my example, I set into Some Finnish and click the add. And okay, you have successfully changed or customized the application language of these two applications. So okay guys, to remove this, okay, you'll have to do is click this and click the negative sign, and okay, don't relaunch, and click again the negative sign to remove the application customize language on your MacBook Air. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully customized the language in applications on MacBook Air.